Okay, this is just going to be um a short little video, but I'm going to try to experiment, do some experiment. I'm going to try to do some experiment with drones a little bit. Um, so so I can have so I can um do some outside, try to do some outside things for a change. But but um yes, I've seen drone videos on YouTube. Yeah, I've seen some drone videos on YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna do some experiments with do some experiments with some drones a little bit. Just to be outside and have something else to do instead of being on the computer all the time and playing games on the computer all the time. Um, just to have something to do outside. So yeah, I'm gonna do try to do some experiments with do some experiments do some experiments with do some experiments with different types of drones. So yeah, I'm going to be switching up a little bit from from computers to drones. So yeah, I'm going to do some experiments with some drones because I've seen um, some people on YouTube experimenting with drones, such as Captain Drone and Drone Camps RC, and and yeah and yeah and some others, and yes, and some others. So yeah, I'm going to be experimenting with different kinds of drones a little bit, um, just just to see which which ones which ones will work best. I know there are drones come in different shapes, sizes, colors, and prices, and I know some drones can be highly expensive. Um, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna try some try some drones for a little bit. This to switch up a little bit instead of being on the computer all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna try some experiments with 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 different types of drones.